Best rakeback offer in-app poker on playwithitalians.com. Hello, this video instruction will help you to install and set Poker Planner program. After you have downloaded the archive with the program, extract it into any suitable folder. Then open it and run Poker Planner application. Make request for functions of the program that you need. In this example, we will make a request for in-app hand history converter. Select it and fill in a simple form. Then press Save Request. A TXT file license appears then in Poker Planner folder. You should send this file to the software developer to activate the license. But first, you should pay for the program. To buy it, go to Money Bookers and make the payment as in the example. After the payment is completed, send a letter to the software developer to stardust1972@hotmail.com. Copy the subject and text of the letter from the example, and do not forget to attach license TXT file. Then send the letter. After the software developer answers you in a few hours, download the new TXT file license and replace the old one, or just download it directly to Poker Planner folder. Now you can run the program. When you start the program for the first time, it will require to set configuration, as it supports various profiles for different sites. Now set Hand History Converter. So go to the bookmark converter and then in-app. Indicate the folder with original files. On default, it is located where you installed your poker client. In our example, it is Crystal Poker, then Profiles, and then your account. Also indicate the folder that you created for converted hands. Here you can mark Run at the startup and start conversion by pressing Auto Convert. In Hold'em Manager, indicate the folder for the import of converted hands. Click Add Folder, select the folder with the converted hands, and save it. Then press Start Auto Import. In order to use statistics, open Table Manager during the first run and press Table. Then press Table Finder, choose the table from the list and mark exactly the same table with the red cross. Then press OK and Yes. The statistics appears in a few seconds on all tables, and later it will appear automatically. Remember that Poker Planner converts in-app hand history files to Putty Poker format, so all additional settings, for instance preferred seat, should be set in Hold'em Manager for Putty Poker. If you want for Hold'em Manager to show the real amount of money you won, select dollars as the currency, since Putty Poker uses dollars. If you have any questions after this video instruction, do not hesitate to contact us on support@playwithitalians.com. Thank you and good luck!